adventurers, welcome to day 2. We kind of chilled out this morning and just relaxed at our hotel and kind of went shopping over at the outlets near our hotel, so just kind of chilled out and relaxed. But we are here to enjoy the rest of our day at Hollywood Studios, so come follow along. It should be a fun day. I like this one. He's not so much of a fan, but I like it. So here we go.
little bit. Nice.
It could have been a lot worse, like our friends in the front. Okay, so I am not a Splash Mountain connoisseur by any stretch, but I feel like if you're in the back, do you feel like the back was faster?
Yeah.
Or bumpier? I felt bumpier.
I mean, you whipped around.
Yeah. But it was so fun. We haven't been on this in a while, but I just don't want to get stuck right here. I got stuck there last time.
Oh!
Just past it, thank goodness. I got stuck there last time and got drenched way more than on the initial drop, or the last drop. So this is so fun.
That was a good time.
Hope you guys enjoyed it. I do have a fun little Disney tip for you guys. If you are over by the Haunted Mansion area and you saw my packing vlog, I wanted to share with you a little tip. The Rapunzel bathroom water fountains, coldest water fountains in Magic Kingdom. So awesome. A little tip from me to you. So if you guys haven't heard, Memento Mori is actually the house of Madame Leota. All of the relics you see on the top are all hers. Oh, maybe she's here to come and play. Okay, this shirt I totally want. This is so awesome. For those of you curious about prices, $24.99. Not terrible. It's kind of standard for the Disney t-shirts to be $24.99, I'm noticing. And then this tank top, $34.99. And obviously you can tell it is blacklit sensitive. And then all the dog stuff. So cute. We haven't been on this in a long time. Yeah.
throughout this entire experience remain seated.
So we just totally did Flight of Passage. That was
Fun.
amazing. So amazing. I have so many thoughts I can't even articulate right now because it was so good. So. And the best part is we scored this fast pass about an hour and a half, well, I guess about 2.5 hours ago. So so good. Worth every minute of people who wait for, it was 150 minutes today. So good. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. As you can see, we ended our trip with a lovely ride through Spaceship Earth. If you love Disney content, I would love if you would subscribe to the channel, as we have a huge trip coming up in August and we'll be sharing our entire experience. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye!